Now we're back in town here. So I just pull up the carburetor float bowl off. Spark plugs look clean, well, real clean, not necessarily lean, but really clean. It's probably lean. So I just dumped the fuel out of here. I don't see any grit or chunks of crap in there. So everything looks good. So now it's just a matter of what the hell is plugged up in this thing. We know this jet here is not working. Well, let's put it this way. I'm shocked if it's not the one that's not working. What was that just fell out? Something just fell. Dirt bikes sound like Ducatis. Okay, this one I think is plugged solid. Here's the way to tell the jet's plugged solid. Let's put up the light and look at it. And it is not plugged. It's wide open. So that is a shocker. I thought for sure that was plugged up. If you can see it in there, but she's not plugged. Alright, so that means we got other issues. Unknown. Let's see, got the real jet tool right here. Use the real tool. There's no way you're plugging up that hole. That's a big hole. Okay. Well, there's an air bleed on these things someplace. Not sure where it is. Obviously there's a low speed idle circuit, which is also not working very well, but semi-working, because it won't idle very well either. Alright, so somewhere there's going to be a hole for the air bleed, which I think is working fine. By the way, I just don't know what the problem is right now. The light is on. Let's get this stuff out of my way here. The raw fuel dumping on top of me. I never pulled this thing off. Somewhere there's going to be a hole it blows out of. Full of grit in there. Full of grit. Yeah, that's full of grit. See it? Can't believe this air cleaner doesn't work. I mean, there must be some holes to it someplace. Probably wasn't sealing very good. Alright, I don't know why this thing is not working. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blow this out. Blow through all these galleries. See if I can find anything that looks like it's plugged. Okay, I got everything all blown out. I see nothing that is open. I mean, not plugged, I mean. The emulsion tube's wide open. The holes are good. Blows air through like crazy. Every orifice has air pressure going through it. This is your vent. It goes down the bottom under here. It's fine. I don't see the air bleed controlling this. This here, I guess, is the idle circuit blowing this direction. It blew down it, but I don't know where it came out of out the air. It's inside the carburetor. That hole right there comes out of. Put your finger over it, has to go through the transfer slot inside the carburetor and the throttle disc. That looks fine. Alright, so that's not an issue. So, I don't think it's an intake issue because it runs too good everywhere else. But I guess I can try that out. Put this thing all back together and see if I can find anything that looks different. Foot level's a little bit low for what I'm doing, I think. Definitely hauling ass, that's what I'm doing. It's probably stock. Alright, I don't know. I don't see anything wrong. That's still good, but that only affects idle, not low speed. There's no low speed jet at all in the circuit. Circuit is non-existent. So, alright, well I blew everything out real good. I'll go ahead and put it back together and see if I fixed it. I don't see anything wrong with it. I'm gonna adjust the flow a little bit too. Alright, we'll be back.